All right, so pretty much I'm taking all this apart so I can pull this motor out. And we're gonna throw in that turbo M52. This is an OBD1 car. That's an OBD2 motor. According to the forums online, I will be able to run the OBD2 harness and engine in the OBD1 car without making it OBD1. So yeah, we're gonna pull this out. I'm gonna clean up the harness. I wanna paint the bay and drop this in. I'm trying to do all this today, to be honest. We'll see how far I get. Damn it. All right, so we got a little progress. Got the radiator sport off. Got the coolant drained. Next is the whole wire harness, motor mounts, Weeble shifter, drive shaft, and yeet. All right, so just ate some breakfast, you know, how to take a little break, but we back. It's ready to come out. I have everything off already. I got that ground strap right there, which is red for some really weird reason. I got the fuel lines off, got the power steering. Oh shit. I gotta disconnect the power steering. God damn it. All right, we'll be back to that. But I got the drive shaft off. I got the shifter off. I got the exhaust off already. We're pretty solid, pretty set up. About to drop that thing in. Let's go. All right, all right, all right. Let's get it. Yo, that's so funny. I forgot to take the shifter off, bro, but it came out anyways. Oh my God, that's crazy. Oops. Fuck it. All right, guys, so next step is gonna be taking out every single one of these little brackets. I'm gonna do so by using this wire brush on there. You can kind of see the spot weld already, but we wanna get a good view of it. This one's gonna be a little hard, I can already tell. So now we're gonna drill that little dimple out. Well, I gotta do the other side, but you guys get the gist of it. All right, so basically what I did was I grinded off that little nipple that it had, and I used a Sawzall, and I made a slit in it. So now with the small drill bit, I'll put a little guide hole, and then I use the bigger drill bit to like get that whole area around there, and then we gotta wiggle it off. You already know. There we go. I got one. 2. Yeah, buddy. right, this one was a little more difficult than the others, but don't even matter because I got that bitch out. So much better that looks. Alright, we're about like an hour into sanding. I basically grinded everything down smooth. I've been sanding as much as I can. I just started on this side, but we're almost done with this side. Not fully. I have to do the edges and basically everywhere I can't reach with the sander. But pretty good. Time to finish up this side and then get all the little edges, wash it up and paint it. Alright, we're almost there. Alright, we got it in. A few minor scratches to be honest, but it'll be alright. Not stressing it like that. Yeah, let's get it. Alright, so we pretty much got it all together. I don't have a belt, so I gotta get a belt. That's why I haven't put the radiator in. But yeah. Motor mounts are tight, drive shaft is on, shifter is on. We're good to go.